Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show how to edit your business location in websites.co.in. First, you have to click on the three bars located on the top left and click on Business Profile. Now, click on the Business Location button and tap on the Edit button. If you want, you can edit your location title. It's totally optional. Now, enter your precise address so that the nearby customers can come to your shop. You can also mention any landmark if necessary, as it will give more precision. Edit your city name if necessary, as you have already done this in the registration process. If you want to change your postal or zip code, you can. Email address can also be updated. You can also add your secondary phone number if you want, as you can't depend on a single phone number with heavy customers call. And don't forget to add your country code. You can locate your shop on the map. This will help your customers to reach their destination easily with the help of Google Maps. Don't forget to mention the work hours. If you want, you can go with the default settings, or you can customize yourself accordingly. For example, here I like to close my shop on Monday and Tuesday, as more and more customers will come on weekends. You can also select the timings of working hours. Here is an example shown in the video. We are keen to provide you a good graphic user interface, so you can customize it with ease. You can do the same for every other day. Select the default address checkbox to make it your permanent address. And click on Upload Details to confirm. Congratulations, your business location is saved successfully. Now you can enjoy with your website. Here is your updated website. And the updated timings. Click on Contact. This will show you the map for precise location. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to websites.co.in.